Hi, I'm Peggy Parfenoff, the Executive Director of World Chicago, and we're a nonprofit that hosts U.S. Department of State-sponsored visitors from all over the world. And so I joined OXA, the Ovarian Cancer Symptom Awareness, because it's an international issue and it's not always recognized with women around the world, and it's an issue that needs to be taken globally. So I'm on the international side of it and delighted to be a part of the advisory board and to be here at the luncheon this afternoon. It's a great opportunity to raise awareness with the women we serve from around the world, but also with our friends and our colleagues in Chicago. I encourage everyone to become aware of the symptoms, and there's a lot of information on the website at ovariancancersymptomawareness.org, because you'll need it for your mother or for your daughter or someone in your life. So I encourage you to go to the website and find out more.